Hello, my name is Katrina and I'm gonna show you today how to crochet. This video is for people who just learning how to do crochet. So if you want to know how to learn, then go and have a look on my video and I'm gonna show you. For a start, we need some yarn, acrylic yarn and crochet hook. For this video I'm using size 6.5 millimeters crochet hook. And the yarn which I'm using is Boston. So for the start, we need to take some yarn and wrap around your finger twice. 1 and 2. Now you have to pull this through and pull this yarn through, and now we need to insert the hook into the loop. There's the loop, so insert the hook inside and gently tie the loop . Now we have to start chaining. So your finger must go into this yarn, take your finger up, wrap your hook around and pull that through to the loop inside. Now again, wrap it hook around and gently pull through. Wrap again and pull through the loop. And this is your chaining. And continue like that. Wrap and pull through. Wrap and pull through. Wrap and pull through. And this is your chaining. Well done.